Today's featured car of the day is a 1969 Pontiac GTO Judge with a 366 horsepower Ram Air 3 V8 and a 4-speed. And I'll read from the Mecum auction site, which is where the car was sold. And it went through the Dallas-Fort Worth 2025 auction on Saturday, November 1st, and it was lot number S91. If you're interested in taking a look and seeing some more pictures. And it reads 90,701 miles, 366 horsepower Ram Air 3 V8 engine, 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes, Delco AM/FM radio, bucket seats and console, rear wing, Rally 2 wheels, Firestone wide oval tires, PHS documentation. And he on the website on Mecum, I don't have a picture of it, but they have a picture of the dealer invoice on it. The retail price, the sticker price, was $3,760.86, and the dealer cost was $3,058.07. And it was shipped on April 17th, 1969. And the selling dealer's name was Kenneth Hammersley Pontiac, Inc., 12th and Tilden Streets, Lynchburg, Virginia, 24501. So that's interesting. If you're interested in seeing that, that's on the Mecum website if you want into the numbers and that type of stuff. But it sold for $79,200. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.